Welcome to our channel. So let's simplify the root 9 minus root 8. Under root 9 is 3 minus, we can write this 4 into 2. Root 8 is written as 4 into 2. So after that, the root 3 minus root 4 is out with 2 and root 2. So we write this at the form of a square, plus b square minus 2ab. So we change this. Let me write this as root 3. So 3 will be changed as 2 plus 1, 2 root 2, like it as 2 into root 1. 2 minus 2 root 2 into root 1 plus 1, and like this. So it's in the form of root 2 minus root 1 of whole square also. So this can be written as mod of root 2 minus root 1. So this is root 2 minus 1. So this will be the answer. You can put the value of root 2 where root 2 equal to 1.414. You can put this value. Otherwise, answer also. So subscribe our channel. Thank you.